Good morning, everybody. We have Alphabet for her 2-week update. You can see there's a kitten getting a very vigorous bath. It seems alright with it, but gosh. So I feel like we haven't had Alphabet on the channel much. Time's just flown by so quickly, and I've been quite focused on getting Zuzu's kittens an update out for each of them each week. So Alphabet's birth video's out, but there hasn't really been a whole lot in between. So since the birth, not really much has happened. They've just been growing, happy, healthy. We have 4 boys, 1 girl. 2 Bicolour boys and the 3 mitted. Oh, he's been groomed in the wrong way. On his head. And she's been really good. She's eating a lot now. She wasn't eating a whole lot in the beginning, but that's really picked up. All the kittens are gaining. We've got our eye on the 1 mitted girl as a maybe keeper, but we'll see how we go. There's a few under evaluation in a couple of different litters at the moment. So this one with the bed hair's a boy. And this is pretty much what it is each day at the moment. They sleep, they feed. I've changed their bedding onto some more Pro Fleece this morning. All their eyes are open. They can purr now. I don't know if you can hear little clicking purrs. And on the mitted, you can see their little mitts coming through. Not sure if I'll be able to show you. I think they're a bit focused on, there we go, sort of, for a second.